From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro dollar and the pound dollar pairs. You can see that we have broken down in the euro dollar under the bottom of three shooting stars. Probably not a huge surprise. It's pretty rare you get three in a row that don't mean bearish pressure. And we are simply in consolidation. I think this means that we continue to go lower, and the inability to break above 118 just kind of confirms we're just not ready to break out yet. With the tight Federal Reserve tightening its monetary policy, and the ECB apparently light years away from doing the same, and concerns about Italian debt, there is a downward pressure. I think down possibly as low as 115. I wouldn't expect any type of massive meltdown. I just think that we need to pull back again. Over here in the British pound, negative action below the 132 our 131.25 level, an area that I thought was crucial to break above, and now it looks like we're drifting a little bit lower. I think 130 is your next support area, and now that we've broken out of this downtrend line, a lot of times you'll see this kind of back and forth and then eventually a reversal of the trend. That might be what we're in, but if we break down below 130, it unwinds to 127.5. In the meantime, I would look for short-term buying opportunities, very small amounts, and just to add as the market proves itself to agree with you.